Hey guys, welcome back to MS Word tutorial series. Today, let's learn about adding watermark in MS Word. So for that, you should go to the menu bar and click the Design menu tab. Go to the watermark section, click it, and there will be a watermark for the picture as well as text. So first, let's begin with the image. So click on the picture. Now, select the picture that we wanted to add in the watermarks. Click Select Picture. Now you just have to select the image that you would like to add in the watermark. So I'll just go ahead and click my image for the logo of Uchains. I'll click it and click insert. So after that, you can select the scale. How much do you want to have your logo? Now, as you can see here, it's washed out, so it's very dimmed within text. But if you'd like to have it little darker, then you can click the wash out, which will give a clear picture. And even on the scale, if you feel you'd like to increase or decrease, you can do that. Let's make it 500%. And as you can see here, if I scale it to 500%, it will be bigger. And on clicking or wash out will give me a clearer look. But since it's a watermark, I would like to have it very dimmed. So let's click it wash out and press OK. And here you go. This is how it looks under a text for my watermark. As you can see here, the hue change can be seen very lightly and it doesn't affect my text as well. But if it's for the blank page, this is how it will look. You can clearly see. Now let's go ahead and add text as a watermark. So for that, similarly, we'll go under the design section since it's clicked. Let's go to the watermark, click it. And now it's time to for the text. So let's select text. So as you can see here, ASAP can be seen here very light. So similarly, we can write our own text as well as on the drop down, you can select from there. So let's select confidential, or if you want to write highly confidential as well, you can go ahead. And for the font, you can select the font, whatever you prefer. I'm going with the default Times New Roman. And you can bold, italic as well, the text. You can also increase or decrease the size. Let's make it 40. And with regards to the font color, as you can see here very lightly over here, but if you'd like to make it little darker, you can select the color from here. So let's keep the darkest one and let's make it diagonal so that it will go for the whole image. And if you'd like to make a bigger size, then you can go with 60 as well so that it will cover the whole page. Now let's go ahead and click OK. Here you go. Highly confidential can be seen as a watermark. And if you go for a blank, this is how it will look. Hey guys, please feel free to comment down below on what you want to learn in the next video series. And please like, subscribe, and keep loving your change. See you in the next